Hi everyone, I'm Jerry, and if you are a golfer, then you have to deal with grips. And if you're currently out while you're golfing, maybe you don't want to go buy a pro shop, or you just are a professional that like to re-grip your own clubs, this kit may be for you. This is actually a kit that it comes with everything you need to re-grip your golf clubs, which has everything nicely laid out in here. They've got the re-gripping material that you put in here that's the adhesive. They actually give you the professional re-gripping solvent with a couple of different applicators for that. You also get the cutting tool to remove an old grip off of your existing clubs. And you also get 13 of these, which are really nice grips in my personal opinion. These are rubberized, kind of a cotton corded grip that actually has really nice detail and inlay in there. They feel very nice. They do come in a variety of colors. This one here is red, but they do come with other colors, including the arrows here to line up everything all the way down to make sure that everything is lined up. Very nice solid base on this, and it does have the opening that will fit your golf club, so once you've slid that on there, you're actually able to get out there then and grip it and rip it on the course.